So another exercise on elastic collisions. Remember, elastic collisions are a subtype of collisions. In collisions in a closed system with no external forces applied, the momentum is conserved. In elastic collisions, the energy is conserved. And if you expand this, I'll leave you the video here, you get a formula with relative approach velocities, which is the one that you have to use in these exercises. So the one we're going to do is May, June 2012, paper 1-2. So the question is, two spheres approach each other along the same straight line. The speeds are u1 and u2 before collision. After the collision, the spheres separate with speeds v1 and v2 in the direction shown below. Which equation must be the correct if the collision is perfectly elastic? So in perfectly elastic collisions, we have this formula. The relative approach velocity, the initial relative velocity, equals minus the final approach velocity. Okay, so we're going to consider these cases now. So if we put the signs here, so we're going to consider positive to the right. So u1 as positive minus u2 is negative, so I'll just write that as a negative, equals minus v1 is positive and v2 is positive. So the answers given have the u's on the left and the v's on the right, and you have on the left u1 and on the right v2 as the starting point. So this is going to be u1 plus u2 equals v2, because that's positive, minus v1. Okay, so that's going to be D. Yeah. So let's go to the answer sheet, the marking scheme, and May, June 2012 is D, which is the one we've chosen. So perfect. That's the correct one.